Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of organization with a review of the best folding storage box set on the market, the XUCHUN file storage boxes. If you're someone who loves keeping your space tidy and clutter-free, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's start with what makes these storage boxes stand out from the rest. First off, they come in a set of 3 in various sizes, giving you options for storing everything from photos and toys to files and clothes. Plus, they're foldable, making them perfect for saving space when not in use. But don't let their foldable design fool you. These boxes are made of high-quality PP plastic board, reinforced with special materials to ensure durability and sturdiness. And thanks to their press stud fastening, they're easy to assemble and disassemble whenever you need them. One of the features I love most about these storage boxes is the removable lid. Not only does it provide a dust-proof solution for your belongings, but it also allows for easy access to your items. Whether you're storing small toys or office supplies, these boxes have got you covered. And let's talk about versatility. These storage boxes aren't just practical, they're also decorative. Whether you're using them in your closet, office, or living room, they blend seamlessly into any space while keeping your belongings organized and accessible. And here's the best part. These storage boxes are backed by an XUCHUN 1-year limited warranty. So you can purchase with confidence knowing that your investment is protected. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best folding storage box set, look no further than the XUCHUN file storage boxes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay organized.